the first Ukrainian and indeed unique of its kind, a submarine. Developed by Kyiv engineers, it is already taking first places at international exhibitions.
These are simply masterpieces because there truly are no analogs in the world.
The submarine Kronos, capable of ensuring troop landings, conducting reconnaissance, firing torpedoes, and remaining invisible to enemy radars. Last year's discovery by Ukrainian engineers has now been refined and tested. So what is the first domestically produced submarine in the history of independent Ukraine capable of? Watch today on Arsenal. Its development began in the last decade with the first project by Kyiv engineers, the amphibious armored personnel carrier Storm. Today the company already has several hundred orders for these armored vehicles. Many of those engineering solutions were incorporated into the concept of the new submarine. The developers say the main task was to create a truly mobile submarine. After all, Kronos essentially fits into the trailer of a regular pickup truck. The wings are removed and transported separately, and the hull itself is no more than 9 meters long. The boat turned out to be so compact that it fits entirely into a standard shipping container and can definitely be quickly deployed to any part of the world if necessary. However, size is far from the main advantage of Kronos. Its futuristic design already indicates that this is next-generation technology. However, it was not chosen out of a love for the movie Batman. Such shapes allow the boat to be extremely maneuverable and fast. And the design, which includes 2 engines on the wings, makes Kronos the only submarine in the world capable of literally hovering in place, confusing enemy radars.
It is stealthy, not only for radars, but also for echo sounders, sonars, and marine radars. This is because the hull of the boat is made of composites, meaning it is non-metallic.
Additionally, the shape of the Kronos gives it another advantage over most submarines: the ability to operate at shallow depths, literally just a few dozen meters. Moreover, the lightweight construction combined with the hydrodynamic design allows the Kronos to achieve fantastic results for its size. For example, the submarine can stay at sea for more than 2 days. At the same time, there are no conventional diesel engines that could be constantly refueled.
We have a state-of-the-art submarine to go, and it's an electric submarine.
This is precisely what allows it to perform a range of tasks that most submarines are simply incapable of. For example, if desired, the Kronos can transform into an underwater scout. Moreover, on such a mission, no one but metal and plastic can be harmed.
And it can operate safely in an unmanned mode.
However, the main task for the Kronos will likely be deploying troops to hard-to-reach places, analysts predict. After all, despite its size, the submarine can accommodate 10 fully equipped soldiers.
Such devices can be used primarily for landing the reconnaissance and sabotage groups. Yes, on enemy territory.
But we must not forget that with its characteristics, the Kronos is a highly versatile device. If you have the impression that this is just an underwater taxi, you are greatly mistaken.
It can serve as an attack submarine carrying torpedoes and missiles, or it can be used as a scout, meaning it can be equipped with reconnaissance equipment.
The Kronos is quite capable of repelling an attack as well as independently attacking a designated target. Considering its maneuverability, almost silent operation thanks to electric motors, and a rather significant underwater speed of up to 50 kilometers per hour, this seemingly futuristic little machine is a very formidable weapon.
It is equipped with torpedo tubes, self-defense systems, as well as means for potentially destroying electrically protected targets.
The manufacturer specifies two means of destruction. These are Italian torpedoes produced by the company Leonardo. Kronos is capable of carrying 4 smaller torpedoes, or 2 larger ones. In the first case, it refers to the Black Scorpion model.
This is its actual size, a full-scale model. This is a 5-inch torpedo. It can dive to a depth of 40 to 200 meters. Its speed is over 15 knots. It can be launched from drones, Beach light aircraft, and small submarines.
This little guy, just over a meter long, carries about 3 kilograms of explosives in TNT equivalent. And considering the possibility of delayed detonation, it can easily sink a small boat or, say, a landing ship. The second type of torpedo that the Kronos is equipped with is the Black Shark, from the same manufacturer, Leonardo. Over 6 meters in length, it carries about 350 kilograms of explosives. And here we can say, without a doubt, that such a hit will, with absolute certainty, sink almost any warship. Meanwhile, having done its job, the Kronos will very likely, as they say, come out unscathed. Its radar invisibility, phenomenal underwater speed of 50 kilometers per hour, and the ability to literally fly over the water surface at 80 kilometers per hour leave almost no chance for pursuers.
Underwater, that's an impressive speed. The basis of the underwater vehicle lies in the use of electric motors. This ensures low noise. The shape ensures high speed. As a concept, it's a good one. How well it can work in practice, well, only practice can show that.
By the way, in practice, the manufacturer envisions using the Kronos not only in combat, it can also be used in search operations or, say, in scientific expeditions to study the seabed. However, considering that the global security situation is heating up, undoubtedly the main interest of world experts in Kronos is due to its combat capabilities. And here it can be confidently said that Ukrainian engineers surpass all competitors by far. In such sizes, with such characteristics and multifunctionality, there are simply no submarines like ours.
In terms of reconnaissance, diversionary or strike, controlled and uncontrolled strike drones, these are simply masterpieces, because here, indeed, there are no analogs in the world.
As for the question of whether Kronos will be used in operations on the territory of Ukraine, we'll leave it open. After all, such developments by our designers are always better presented to the occupier as a surprise. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new episodes of Arsenal.